A. I did a little work to it. 12.7. 411 gears. Goddamn workhorse. What can I say? Goddamn. Did a little work to it. Flat top. Chasing the Andrew Jackson route. $10,000 cash truck. 12.7. Ain't bad, man. Ain't bad, man. Go on the other side for you. Floors done and shit. I mean, truck been sitting since 2017. Owner overhauled the engine. Yeah, it's pretty dirty floors. We gonna snatch that out once the truck start making some money. But other than that, pretty solid damn truck, man. 9-speed. You know what I mean? Flat top. Gotta clean the truck out. It haven't been clean. Oh yeah, these little wires, I don't know what the fuck, the AC won't cut on, so he ran some wires to that shit, some shit, man. I get it figured out, but solid damn truck, man. I'm gonna crank it up for you guys in a minute. Man, we could get a good wash down to it. We down here in Florida though, you know what I mean? This truck ain't gonna see nothing but Florida, Georgia, little Alabama, little Mississippi. It ain't going past Texas though. Cold started for y'all. Show you how this motherfucker sound. Pop the phone up for you.